All right, let's talk about the future of books and where human editors actually fit into all this.
So will AI replace human editors? It's a huge question, but maybe it's the wrong one.
Because, let's be real, the old job of just fixing commas and grammar, that's already gone. And the rise of AI in writing has created a totally new, bigger problem for all of us.
We're drowning in what some people call AI slop. Content that's correct but feels empty. You see this stuff everywhere. It's safe, it's predictable, and honestly, it's kind of boring.
So this shows us the real battle here isn't human versus AI, it's something else entirely. It's production versus communication. AI is a rock star at production, but communication, that's human territory.
And look, if your only value is producing clean stuff fast, you're in real trouble. So what makes a human touch so valuable? Well, real communication has edges. It's not perfect.
These edges are the messy, personal choices that actually make a story feel truly real.
See, AI is built for coherence, but humans, we bring messy conviction and real specific taste. And this is exactly where book editors find their new, crucial role today. The big opportunity isn't competing with AI, it's becoming what we'll call the judgment layer. For an editor, this is about shaping an AI draft into a story that actually connects. And here's the thing. Readers feel this difference, even if they can't quite explain why.
One book is just correct, but the other one connects with you.
That tiny gap between correct and connected, that's where an editor's true value lives now.
So the future isn't about perfect writing. It's about having the human guts to be imperfect.